Welcome back to Margaritas in Paradise. Hey, I've been going through some of my footage, just some random clips of me driving around Pattaya and letting you see what's happening. All right, let's get to it. Welcome back to Margaritas in Paradise. We're at Pattaya, Thailand. We're headed down to Beach Road. I have to go take care of something for a subscriber. I want to put a shout out to Adam from Las Vegas, USA. Anyway, I saw him out during the parade the other day. The parade's coming out on video tonight at 6 p.m. Yeah. Anyway, it was good meeting him. I hope I see him again. And yeah, let's get going. Oh, and it's windy out here. I think a storm's coming in, kind of gray looking. Now, traffic seems to be moving along pretty good. There's a few people out on Beach Road, or out on the sidewalk there walking. Right now it's kind of barren access. If you thought about coming out to Thailand, coming to Pattaya especially, eventually, you know, the bot buses are really easy to get around on here. They only cost 10 baht. Now, if you go and ask them how much they cost, they're going to ask you how much will you give them. They cost 10 baht. Okay, so, now, within reason, if you got on the bot bus like this one here on the right, and you're going to go between, let's say, point A and point B of their designated route, but if you decided you wanted to get on that bus, but on that bot bus and ride it all afternoon, he's going to charge you more. There's no doubt about it. You just can't go around in circles and expect to get that for 10 baht. But it is a good way to get around, really cheap way to get around. And you should definitely take advantage of that. But if you get up the nerve to get out, maybe rent a motorbike, and start self-exploring Pattaya, get around, go to the place that not everybody actually gets to see. There's a lot to do. Make sure that you get an international driver's license before you come here. All right? That's the best way to do it. And while you're here, always use a helmet. Now, when you're riding a motorbike, I don't care what the motorbike taxi guys are doing, but when you're riding a motorbike, you're supposed to stay all the way over to the left. And got to remember, if the vehicle's bigger than you, they're bigger than you, then you have to be very careful. You have to drive with your head on a swivel and know that they maybe cannot see you. So just be careful. If you're going to be out here driving, be careful. It doesn't matter if you're in a motorbike or if you're in a car, rent a car. It's the same way. You know, we drive on the left-hand side of the road. Is that the same side of the road that you drive on in your country? That had me scared when I first started driving here. Because, of course, we drive on the other side of the road in the U.S. And nowadays, I'm more scared when I return to the U.S. that I'm going to pull out into oncoming traffic. Well, hopefully it doesn't happen. And even there, I'm driving with my head on a swivel, trying to make sure I don't do anything stupid. Now, I am on a mission today. There's quite a few people out here on Beach Road. I mean, it's surprising. But I am on a mission. I have to get over to a driving school on Pattaya Thai, South Pattaya Road. I've been trying to call them for the last few days, and there's no answer according to their card. So I want to make sure that they're in business, because I talked to another subscriber, viewer named Bobby, and I think he's in Greece right now with him and his wife and family. They're going to be here next month. But anyway, he wants to get a driver's license, and we're kind of working those issues out for him before he gets here, so it's kind of smooth sailing. All right, I hope he didn't mind me mentioning his name, but too late now. All right, so coming up on the right, we're already down to South Pattaya Road. Coming up on the right is Pattaya Beer Garden. Now, if you don't know about Pattaya Beer Garden, guys, oh man, just a great place to eat. It's has a great view. It's really, really nice, and definitely worth going there. It has good food, good price. You just follow this motorbike taxi up here. These guys generally know. Well, he wants another way, but I saw an open lane here. We're gonna go straight. That school bus. Oh, this crap. Thick. All right, let's try to get through here. I guess probably school's getting out or something like that. I'm not sure exactly what's going on here, but these guys are going the wrong way. But you know, that's something about Thailand. Rules of the road. Somebody told me one time the rules of the road are kind of like a suggestion. So you have to take it for what it's worth, and or maybe a guideline. You know, I remember a scene in Pirates of the Caribbean, and they were talking about, well, those are the rules or the laws, and then one of the pirates said, we kind of looked at them as guidelines. So yeah. So we have lots of guidelines here in Thailand. All right, so we're on South Pattaya Road. And this area is traditionally known for the food markets late at night, and Tuk Kam, which is coming up on the right, about 100 meters down. So if you need any type of electronics, if you need a phone unlocked, or a phone fixed, or a computer fixed, or anything, or a printer cartridge, that's the place to go. Well, we do have 2 Domino pizzas here in Pattaya. I just passed one on the left. The other one, I believe it's out on Sukhumvit in one of the PTT gas stations. But I like Domino's pizza, but just have to be careful. Let's see here. All right. We're doing pretty good here, I think. I have to kind of start watching for this place. I think it's further down, though. Now here's Soy Macau on the left. Better pull over. Alright, now we're looking for Mood 10. Car with sidecar. That's Moo 11. Right there. There's 9. Okay. I think it's right here. I think it's right there. Looks good. Alright. So, Bobby, we have you all set up. If you're interested in coming out here to get a Thai driver's license or for a motorbike or car, they're able to do everything. It's kind of a one-stop shop. Everything from school to teach you how to drive, the rules of the road for Thailand in general, and then also,
if you haven't done so already, make sure you're giving me a big thumbs up, that you're hitting that subscribe button, hit that bell for future notifications. All right, let's get back at it.
And then also, they can take care of like your residency certificate. I think that was like 1,500 baht, about $45. And they can also do like the medical certificates, 150 baht, about $5. And then there's a motorbike fee that costs another 100 baht. That's about $3. 85 cents, something like that. And yeah, so they can get it taken care of for you here. And I can't remember how much it costs to get the actual license, but and if you need rush service, which I think my friend's gonna need, it's gonna be like 3,000 baht extra. Let's just call it $90 or something like that, maybe. I think I might go down and do some videos down along 3rd Road. A little bit far, a little bit out of the way type of places that are interesting. I need to find a place to eat as well. And look at all the traffic. I think I almost got ate by a pickup truck. I'm down past South Pattaya Road and 3rd Road, going by the Millennium Tower on the right. There's a little crossroad there that you just have to be real careful. It's a kind of a shortcut area. Get you further along up the Pattaya Thai if you're heading north, or if you're headed back the opposite way. And we're going to take a left here. There's a couple good restaurants down here. They're just out of the way. They're not in the north. Now I'm gonna have to figure out the name of this road and put it on the video for you. Two-Tone Cafe and Restaurant. Some of these places I've just never heard of before. Here's Tiggle Bitties. Now, Tiggle Bitties Tavern. So they're known for a lot of good food. And I'll put a link to their restaurant. I think they even have good desserts. Definitely a good place to come eat. Alright, I can see it now. So I was on the wrong road for Caddyshack, but coming up here on the left, see it right there in front. And they have a quiz night every Tuesday at 19:30. So we just did a quiz night at Leo's. Size of this kitchen. So we're going to come up along here to Thepprasit Road. We'll take a left here for now. Surplus, military surplus store. I like military surplus. Renee Clinic, the Nika Clinic, facial treatments. High English course. I keep thinking about that. Find some time in my life. Create a routine. I thought I had a routine. I know what my sleeping and my sleeping routine is. But I'm probably spending too much time on YouTube, I think. I don't know. What's a fishing shop? That's pretty interesting. Alright. Gates. Yeah. Now, coming up on the right, we have the Buffalo Market. I don't know if you can see that over there or not. But that's the second-hand market, and that's always fun to go in there. I'll tell you, I may end up stopping in today and taking a walk through. I haven't been through there in so long. But as well as that, is we have the Thepprasit night market coming up here on the right. And I went through there not too long ago with Jay and her family. Because of the number of markets here, the size of that market has decreased in size by a considerable amount, as you can probably tell in this video. There's a lot of empty spots, and it's 5:30 in the afternoon. That place should really be full. Again, we're on Thepprasit Road, and we're kind of skirting the edge of this night market. It is one of my favorite places to eat as far as the market's concerned. They have a great indoor area for you to check out. It looks like these guys are still setting up, but maybe it gets fuller in the evenings, but it doesn't look as full as it once did. Take a look around or not. Man. I found my one treasure there, and I got to eat for 60 baht. The treasure cost me 90 baht. So altogether, I ended up spending 150 baht. Less than $5. I would say closer to, I don't know, $4.50 for my treasure and a meal. All right, I hope you enjoyed that ride, and let me know what you think. Isn't this a beautiful day out? Oh, why ain't you here? We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.